ओके सगळे बाबतींत आमकां आतां सांगलें उदक ना खंयचे खंयचे रे उदक ना म्हणून
उदक ना काल साकून उदक ना लोक कितले सफर जाता कित्याक मेन म्हणल्यार कित्याक उदक 2-2 दीस 3-3 दीस सपोज उदक ना जाल्यार खंयच्यान म्हण हाडटले एक म्हणल्यार वेलाचेर डिपेंड जावपाक वेल्स पोल्युटेड जाल्ले आहा ह्या कॉमन एरिया मागीर पेडा कोलमारोड एक सगळे वाठारांतले लोक कंप्लेन करीत आसा की उदक ना म्हण सो ते खातीर आमकां हें करपाक जाय की गव्हर्मेंटाक की कित्याक लागून हे भाशेन जाता 2-2 3-3 दीस केन्ना एक पायप फुट्टा ब्रेकडावन जाता समजूं शकता आनी ते जायत आसता पूण आतां हे 2 दीस जाले आतां आज आनी आमी जेन्ना कॉन्टेक्ट केलो PWD वॉटर सप्लाय ते सांगता की टील नायट सुद्दां येवपाक गॅरंटी ना म्हण वर्क इज गोईंग ऑन म्हणटा ते सो टँकर्स पूण प्रोवायड करा सो टँकर्स हें केलें जाल्यार तुमी प्रायवेट टँकर्स सांगतात सो ते चार्ज जाले अननेसरी पूण जो तुमी मिटर रेंट आसा आनी कितें आसा हें बील घेवपा खातीर घेतातूच तुमी पूण इतले व्हड प्रमाणान सपोज लोकांक उदक ना जाल्यार 2-2 3-3 दीस जाल्यार मागीर लोकांक जगपाक कशें आज पावस इतलो पडटा सगळे कडेन उदक आसा पूण नळा उदक ना असलें जाल्यार
पूण कितें रिजन कितें सांगतात ते
क्लॅरिटी मेळना एकलो एक भाशेन सांगता कोण म्हणटा हांगा सेलावली प्रॉब्लम आहा हें म्हणटा हांगा हांगा हें जायना म्हण कितें म्हणटा तें पंपींग जायना म्हण समजला कित्याक सेलावली सपोज मेजर प्रॉब्लम आसलो आनी सगळ्या सप्लाय आसपा नाका आशिल्ली न्ही पूण सर्टन एरिया आसा आनी सर्टन एरिया ना सो खंय तरी एक इधर तेंची पंपिंगा प्रॉब्लम आसा ऑर वॉटर शॉर्टेज आसतली सेलावलीसान येता ते पूण क्लॅरिटी मेळना कित्याक लागून इतले दीस हें आसा ते उदका सप्लाय नात
From yesterday we are not getting water and I yesterday evening bought a 2 liters water bottle because we need water to drink. Normally we have 2 tanks, one for drinking water and one for washing water, okay, but still our tanks are empty here on the ground floor and our tanks are on the second floor, okay, so we have to pump water and this is not the first time that we are not getting water and every time we don't get water I contact either JE or either AE. Today morning I contacted AE some time back. He's telling me, you know, there's some problem and I don't think it is going to be solved till today evening. He's saying this. So what are we to do? Where are we supposed to go? We don't have wells because all the wells are contaminated. So now from where to bring water? We'll have to spend money and bring water. I asked the government to please look into it and if they can give us direct Salauling water would be better. We are getting water from some sump here. I don't know whether it is in Mont or whether it is elsewhere, but this is not direct water coming to us. Direct water taps or pipelines are already come to everywhere. So we request the government to look into the matter and to solve our problems. We should not face such problems. We cannot carry water from here to the first floor because we are mostly senior citizens.
Okay,
My name? I'm Mrs. Eduardo Menezes.
and this area
This is area Comba, Alto Comba. Okay, these are my neighbors. Even they will tell what difficulties.
Since when you do not have water supply?
Yesterday my neighbors, they were asking me the water. Some work was going on. I said, me doesn't have only. I cannot give you like, there's no time, there's no timing for the water also.
Yeah, and even we are not getting water for full day.
Every day, the morning time, water goes and comes when they want like.
Yeah.
No proper time to give us water.
Yes.
Exact time must be there. Like, okay, it is going by 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Okay, we understand.
like, no,
But it must come at 12. There is no time.
And it is not only that. I think in some areas in Margao
alternate
they are having
arrangements
water
have
for
been
full
made?
day.
Pardon?
Any alternate arrangements
No,
have been
no,
made for the
nothing.
water supply? Any tanker and all?
Nothing.
Down also, I think they are facing problems. That time Mohammed was saying,
Yeah.
will complain